Hello and welcome everyone to this amazing Hostinger coupon code deal. If you are planning to buy your hosting from Hostinger, then this may be one of the best time to buy your hosting from Hostinger. Why? Because a special deals running right now where you can get as much as up to 95% discount when you buy your hosting from Hostinger, specifically through the special discount link mentioned in the description of this video. Once you click on exclusive discount link to buy your hosting from Hostinger, you will be landed to a page like this where you can see an amazing deal to buy your hosting from Hostinger. Here it's showing you 85%, but I'm going to tell you how you can get as much as up to 95% off. So in order to buy, make sure to click on the link in the description, and then once you land over here, you can simply select the claim deal, and you can see the 30 days money back guarantee is valid with all of the plans at Hostinger. So once you select the claim deal, you will be landed to all of their plans, and you can see it's 85%. If you click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code to buy, you are going to get additional 10% discount to making it 95%. But I'm going to tell you, you can even save more. So watch with me in this detail. So simply select any plan, but before you select any plan, I recommend you to do a thorough research of all the plan features, functions before you select any plan to buy your hosting from Hostinger. So once you are done with the research, simply select the choose plan with any of the offer to claim this exclusive special discount. So make sure to click on the link in the description to buy this amazing Hostinger deal. So once you select the choose plan, you can see you are being landed over here. Now I'm going to tell you, Hostinger offer you 4 billing periods: 1, 12, 24 and 48 months. Now if you want to get the maximum possible discount to buy, I recommend you to offer the 48 months, so you can save the maximum amount of money when you buy your hosting from Hostinger. After you select your 48 months, you will get a free domain plus 2 or 3 extra months free as well with your hosting. Now you can claim your free domain right now over here or later on through your account as well. So if I'm going to claim a free domain, I'm going to show you just as an example over here on how you can claim over here. So you can see it's free for the first year, and you can simply add over here. And I'm not adding, I'm just showing you. Now you can see your order summary over here. Before you select any, make sure that your 30 days money back guarantee is over here and everything is fine over right now. So it's 85%. Now select the have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code to buy your hosting. And now I'm going to tell you how you can get more than 95% off. So 85% originally from $623 to $85, plus you're getting 3 extra months free. Add a free domain as well, add a free domain privacy and additional 10%. So it's more than 95%. You're just paying $85 for this. This is specifically exclusive deal for my audience. So you can use this coupon code to buy. There is another coupon code to buy, and that is the name of HI10. You can use either of the coupon code to buy your hosting from Hostinger. So after this, simply select the continue and move on to the last part to grab your hosting from Hostinger. Now you can see your order summary over here, and now in order to buy your hosting from Hostinger, if everything is fine, write your billing details over here. Once you write your billing details, simply select the continue and move on to the last part, and that is you have to pay to buy your hosting from Hostinger. And Hostinger offer you variety of payment methods. You can pay by card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, CoinGate for crypto payments. So guys, you have variety of payment methods to buy your hosting from Hostinger. You can choose any one to buy your hosting. So let's say we're going with the credit card. Simply write your credit card details and simply select the submit payment to buy your hosting from Hostinger. And once you select the submit payment, within few minutes you are going to get an email from Hosting with all of your hosting account details. So just for a revision, make sure to click on the link in the description to buy your hosting from Hostinger. Follow the process as I have told you in this video, and use either of the coupon code to buy and get an amazing exclusive discount with hosting from Hostinger. So good luck with the hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.